Yeah, these kids got dinosaurs all over, bro. All over. Dinosaurs all over. Everywhere you look is dinosaurs. Everywhere you look, Jurassic Park. Really? Dinosaur. Dinosaurs all over.
Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh. I can't even help it.
Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. Don't mind my leg get up. It is cold. I have to put on my robe because it's freezing. But anyways, happy Sunday, you guys. I'm doing my Sunday reset, my laundry. We're bathing Cairo today. Like, he bathe every week, but I never really film him getting bathed, so we're bathing him today. And I'm doing laundry, and I'm gonna do a vacuum. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna mop. Do a mop when they go to school, because I don't like to mop while they at home, because they just don't listen. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day that God for life. Let me know down below how you're doing, how you're feeling. You know, lately I've been feeling like I'm being called closer to God, like to be more in my Bible, be more personal worship. I had a church home, but we don't have a church home anymore, so I want to find a church home here in our area where we moved. So that's my mission for this year, find a church home. So I got started. I've been researching a couple places like around our area, but haven't gone or visited any as yet. So that's on my agenda for this year for sure. I gotta get these kids breakfast and get them ready for the day. Tomorrow is work and school, so you know it's gonna be, you know, our little Sunday reset. So let me continue getting myself together, getting them together, and I'll catch up with you guys a little later. Good morning, Cairo. Definitely a Sunday reset. Cairo, we got a fur from, bro. Oh, this is the shampoo that we use. Get them cold. Hold it. Hold the bottle. So hold it. If you can't play, you're not gonna thing. And then he's gonna get some of this, guys, on his fur. Papi! He already shiny though, you see? He's already shiny, guys. Look at his fur, he's already shiny. It's all like coconut oil.
good for them to eat it.
You just put it on the each thing in it.
No, not long.
Curry smell good. Come on, come on. Open your toy box. Put it in your toy box. Y'all, these kids got dinosaurs all over, bro. All over. Dinosaurs all over. Dinosaurs. Everywhere you look. All in the car. All over. All over. Everywhere you look is dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Alpaca. Dinosaur. Everywhere you look is a dinosaur. Everywhere you look. Jurassic Park. Really? Dinosaur. Dinosaurs all over. Every which way. Papi tell you want juice? Yeah, wait till the money right. Wait, 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 wait. Gotta iron them. high. Oh God, the battle belongs to you. And every fear I lay at your feet. I sing through the night. And if you are for me, oh, when I fight on my knees. I lay at your feet. I sing through the night. Oh God, the battle belongs to you. Yeah, bro ironing my clothes, y'all. Thanks, hubby.
Yeah.
Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a other so say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller.
Yeah, this is where I house all my jewelry that I wear on a regular. My sister gave me this Cobalt mini toolbox. So I got all my earrings up there and all my hand jewelry shades down here, my ring, my custom ring. Yeah, so this is very, you know, thoughtful of her. This is today's fragrance. Tommy girl, this smells really nice. My brother's girlfriend gave this to me, and this is my first time smelling it into my hair. Around Christmas my nose was stuffy and I couldn't smell it, so now I just getting really smelling it, and it smells really nice, so that's why I'm wearing today. So where's my lip gloss? Let me find my lip gloss and head through the door. So we're going up the road with Cairo to visit some friends. Yeah, they want to see Cairo. They want to see Cairo, okay? So we're taking Cairo to see them. So he's a breeder to Frenchie and Bully breeder. So no, I think mostly Frenchie. He's a Frenchie breeder, so they want to see Cairo. So we're taking Cairo. And of course, mommy has to be the last to get ready. At least I done wash all their clothes, and puppy clothes just have to dry, and I just have to fold them up and then wash all clothes. Yeah, and I done vacuum the whole house, freshen it up, clean out the surfaces. Yeah, my reset basically about finished. Alright, you guys, hit the road. Let's get on her own makeup. No, her proper eyeshadow on.
We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the mood. Stay in the mood.
Y'all want nuggets or cheeseburger?
No,
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Come on, stars.
Hola.
Got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the mood. Stay in the mood with me. Give you more.
Alright. Y'all see the chicken? You see it?
Oh no!
You scared? Hi guys. They look like Cairo?
Yeah! This is like a Cairo.
Yeah. You gonna touch him?
Stay in the mood. Stay in the mood with me. Give you more. Give you more with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you more. Stay in the mood with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. I see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we gonna jump the rooftop and come watch the sky on me.
Like this. Hold it like
I want to get it.
What he name?
I want to get it.
this. You want that?
I want to get it.
Come.
Okay, hold it above.
Hold it like that. Like this. Move.
We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I said. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me.
Make sure you don't lift up your head.
Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November.
You know have it? Almost.
Almost like
Yeah.
Way too many
The miniature one.
So we got Jesus is already.
Let the flame burn
Oh,
out for a
really?
while.
Yeah.
Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Bye, Papi. Give me a kiss. Good morning. Good morning.
Where's Molly?
Give me a hug.
That's Molly? See Molly? See Molly? That's your good friend Molly?
She's waiting on you.
Morning.
Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and